Welcome to Specto Technology. In this video, we'll show you how to perform a manual zero check on an Aeroqual air quality station using an external zero filter. To complete this process, you'll need an Aeroqual monitoring station, a flow adapter with a zero filter, internet access, and a power source. Before getting started, make sure a flow test has already been completed. If you need help running a flow test, you can find a link in this video. Let's begin at the Aeroqual station. First, confirm the station is powered on. Carefully remove the sharp-cut cyclone from the flow assembly and set it aside. Attach the zero filter to the inlet at the top of the station. Next, we'll move to the Aeroqual cloud. Open your web browser and go to cloud.aeroqual.com. Log into your Aeroqual account. Select administration and locate the station you are working on. Access the configuration screen by right-clicking on the station name or selecting configuration from the menu on the right. In the configuration screen, select Configuration in the top left corner. Then choose Calibration and Service.
Before starting the calibration, place the station into service mode to prevent false data from appearing in your main report. On the left-hand menu, select Manual Entry. Then click the blue Start button to activate service mode. Once the station is in service mode, return to the calibration screen to continue.
From there, select Zero Calibration on the left. Click Start to begin the manual zero calibration. The calibration status will appear in the top left corner of the screen. When the station is ready, select Calibration on the left to view the measured values. The reading should be at or very close to zero. Compare these values with those recorded during the auto zero cycle. The results should match or be very similar. If the values differ significantly, the sample filter may be dirty or there may be an issue with the auto zero cycle. Keep in mind that the numbers shown on the table here may not exactly match what you see on your end.
Be sure to click the Stop button at the top of the screen to exit service mode. Failure to exit service mode will prevent the station from logging data to the report for up to 24 hours.
Once the calibration is complete, return to the station. Remove the zero filter and reinstall the sharp-cut cyclone. You're all set.
This video is brought to you by Specto Technology, a world of solutions.